In 1421, during the Hundred Years' War, England appeared unstoppable. Prince Thomas of Lancaster marched into France with a veteran army, expecting another easy victory against exhausted French forces. But near the village of Beaujolais, the French weren't alone. Scottish warriors, fierce allies bound by the old alliance, joined them, eager to strike back at England. When the English rushed across a narrow bridge to attack, they became trapped. The Scots charged first, pikes leveled, driving the English back before they could form ranks. Prince Thomas was surrounded and cut down, the only English royal to fall in battle on French soil during the war. Beaujolais became the spark that reignited French hope, proof that unity and timing could break England's momentum, even when defeat seemed certain. Battlefield legends, where allies turn the tide of war. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more.